Hello everyone. In this video, I shall tell you how to solve a problem that is transportation problem. Again, the initial basic feasible solution, transportation problem and initial basic feasible solution using VAM, that is Vogel's approximation method. So I'll quote an example. In this case, we have the warehouses W1, W2, W3, W4, the demand, and we have the centers C1, C2, C3, C4, and the supply. So how to use Vogel's? So this is an example. So in this case, it was an unbalanced transportation problem because the total from this side was 180 and the total from this side 40, 50, 90, 90 and 40, 130 and 60 is 190. So the total from this side was 190. So this is an example of an unbalanced transportation problem. So in this case, how would we fix this problem of an unbalanced transportation problem before we apply Vogel's approximation? So unbalanced transportation problem is sorted. I would add a dummy where there's a deficiency. Now, as you can see that the total in this column is less. So I need to add 10 here. So I would add a dummy row. If there is a deficiency in the column, we shall add a row, and if there is a deficiency in the row, we shall add a column. Another example I would give of an unbalanced, suppose the problem was W1, W2, W3 and here C1, C2, C3, C4 using the same data. If the problem would have been this, and say the demand and supply, so the demand would have been say 50, 50, 50 and 50. So the total here would be 200, 200, and on the supply side maybe the total was say 100, 100 and 100. So the total would add up to 300. So in this case, we would be required to add a dummy column C5, or say this is a dummy column with a total of 100 so that the total matches to 300 in both the cases. So this will be a dummy column. So 50, 50, 100, 150, 200 and 300. That is how you make the problem a balanced transportation problem. So जब आपका जिस साइड भी डेफिशिएंसी है you need to add 100 here and a dummy column. अगर deficiency यहाँ पे थी तो यहाँ पे आपने 10 add किया, making it 190. You add a row. So wherever you see a deficiency, you write the figure there and then add a row. And if you see a deficiency here, write 100 first and then add a column here. So this is how you make the problem balanced. In the upcoming video, I'll be talking about Vogel's approximation method.